Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a sequence diagram in draw.io. A sequence diagram helps visualize how different objects interact over time in a process. First, open draw.io, then look at the left-hand panel and click on More Shapes. In the Shapes window, make sure UML 2.5 and UML are toggled on, then click Apply. Now scroll down in the left-hand panel and click on UML. Drag an actor with Lifeline shape onto your diagram, then adjust its sides to your liking. To add an activation bar, drag the activation bar shape onto the lifeline until it snaps into place. Drag the activation bar, and after it appears green, leave it. Your shape will be connected to the activation bar. Resize the activation bar as needed by selecting it and dragging the bottom handle. To change the color, select any shape, use the Style option on the right-hand menu, and choose any color you like. Next, drag an object with a lifeline onto your diagram. Reshape it to your liking and add an activation bar just like before. Resize it, then select the element and choose the color you like. And that's it. We enabled UML shapes, added lifelines and activation bars, and styled them to build a sequence diagram in draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.